In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Docs, starting from specific page. This is perfect when you want a title page or a table of contents to stay unnumbered, while the rest of your document begins at page 1 right where you want it. Start by opening your Google Docs file. Once it's open, scroll to the page where you want numbering to begin, maybe page 3, 4, or wherever your main content starts. Click to place your cursor right at the very beginning of that page. This is important because the next step will split your document into sections, and the cursor tells Docs exactly where to create that break. Now create a section break. Go to the Insert menu at the top, choose Break, and then click Section Break. Next page. You may notice your content jumps slightly. If something shifted to a new page when you didn't want it to, simply press backspace until your text returns to the correct position. The section break still exists, you're just tidying up the spacing. With your section in place, it's time to add the page numbers. Go back to Insert, click Page Numbers, and choose your preferred style. For example, top right corner in the header. You'll see numbers appear, but we're not done yet. Click directly inside the header or footer where the page number appears. In the toolbar area, you'll see an option called Link to Previous. Uncheck Link to Previous. This breaks the connection between the new section and the earlier pages, so changes won't affect your front matter. Next, set the numbering to start at 1. While you're still in the header or footer, click Options, select Page Numbers, choose Start At, and enter 1, then click Apply. This tells Google Docs that the first page of this new section should be labeled Page 1, even if it's technically page 3 or 4 of the entire file. Finally, remove page numbers from the earlier pages, scroll back to the previous section, double-click the page number you see there, and press Backspace or Delete to remove it. Because you unlinked the sections, deleting the numbers in the first section will not affect the numbering that starts on your chosen page. That's it. Your page numbers now begin exactly where you want them, starting at 1, while the earlier pages remain clean and unnumbered. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.